Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I wasn't supposed to film anything, but scrolling to my Twitter account I just found out from Osita Alvi that the DJI Mini 2 is gonna come soon. And I just found these pictures on his account and I was like, oh look, it's the Mini 2. And down in the comment section one guy just tweeted, look at this video, and then I just clicked on that video and I found this video about unboxing the Mavic Mini 2, and it's from our Beatific World, which I leave a link down in the description and you can go ahead and just watch his video. He just went in Best Buy, he found it on the shelf and he bought it. He couldn't fly it though because the DJI didn't even announce the Mini 2. And you cannot activate the drone. But at least he got the box, he got the Fly More combo, which he paid $600 for it. So it'll be an increase of $100 from the original Mavic Mini. But let's see what this drone has new from the Mavic Mini original. First and most of all, it's the Ocu Sync 2.0. The DJI Mini 2 has the same remote controller as the DJI Mavic Air 2, which uses the Ocu Sync 2.0. So whoever flew a drone with the Ocu Sync 2.0, you know that your connection will be stable. So this is a great thing which I was expecting from DJI, to have the Ocu Sync 2.0, but it seems that it has the same 249 grams, which is good. Because if you are from Canada, you know that the legislation doesn't allow you to fly a drone above 250 grams if you don't have the license. So this is just perfect. Another thing that they added is 4K video recording, which is good, but it's not a deal breaker. I was hoping that they would increase the sensor size, make it probably a 1-inch sensor or at least half-inch sensor, but they didn't do that. I believe it's the same camera as it was on the original one, it's just that they unlocked the 4K capability on this camera, that's all. The DJI has changed the batteries for the Mini 2, so you can't fly your DJI Mini 2 drone with your older batteries, because they won't fit. That's a bummer, because if you want to upgrade to Mini 2, you're gonna have to sell your old drone and get the new one, get the new batteries if you want the Fly More combo. But I guess this is just marketing. Other than that, I don't know, I'm not really surprised about this update. You have no sensors, which is nothing new, because you cannot put them and have the drone weighing under 250 grams. So the only major thing which they updated on this drone is the Ocu Sync 2.0 really. I own the Mavic Mini original and I'm not sure if I'm gonna upgrade on the DJI Mini 2, because it's nothing really to upgrade to. I don't know, tell me in the comments if you would upgrade or not, or why would you upgrade. The only thing which would make me to upgrade to Mini 2, it would be the Ocu Sync 2.0, because that's a really great feature added to this drone. You can easily upscale from 2.7K and make it 4K, because I doubt someone will use the footage from the Mini for something professional. If you use it for YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, it'll be grand. So again, go and check out the video which is in the description below. DJI hasn't made any official announcement of the DJI Mini 2, so probably somewhere in November it's gonna be launched, because they just want to get it ready for Christmas. That's it for today guys, thanks for watching, please subscribe if you're not already, and if you like this content I'm gonna do more of this, so please keep an eye on the channel. I'll see you guys next time, salut!